Congratulations are once again in order, this time to the champions of club football in the Caribbean, Cavalier FC. The defending Jamaica Premier League champions prevailed second time around after falling at the same stage of the competition last season. And apart from bragging rights, this victory provides a gateway to the more high-profile and more lucrative and competitive Concacaf Club Championships. But kudos to the Cavalier organization led by Mr. Rudolph Speed. They remain the youngest team in the JPL by far, and now the most accomplished and successful Jamaican club team of the modern era. And despite more local clubs having much more resources and much larger fan support, Cavalier continues to lead the pack in terms of accomplishments. And Cavalier deserve all the praise and the raise they are getting. And more.